Hello, excuse me. Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? Wow. Look at EPIX, guys. Race after race. It won 12 races so far. Right now, we're in a halt situation. His stock just got halted on that blast up here. And, I was very wrong about this stock. When I looked at the daily chart, I thought there'd be pretty decent resistance right around this 244 level, and not even close. It just absolutely blasted right through. This had some news. To me, it's a phase 1, phase 2 study. Typically those aren't the necessarily going to cause the stock to do this, but you never know. And it's a relatively low float, 36 million, Canadian company. I'm a Canadian. So anyway, this one, unbelievable. I mean, a lot of people in the trading room were in this one. A lot of opportunity to get in several times. Right here, 286, right here, 332. And I don't know where it's coming out of the halt, but anyway, awesome. All right, guys, want to get back into the trading room. So have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow. I open the room at 8 o'clock. Bye-bye.